my honest review of ConversioBot. Now, you may or may not be familiar with ConversioBot, but if you're here, chances are you've heard of it. Basically, it's a software tool that allows you to create chatbots and put them on your website in order to increase your conversions and potentially increase your online sales. Now, the great thing about ConversioBot is that it works with so many different types of websites, whether you're an e-commerce store owner, whether you're an affiliate marketer, whether you're a blogger, whether you have your own website for your, maybe like your health service practice, like a dental practice. Like, there are so many different types of websites that this software can work for. And I'm really excited to kind of get into this product. It's been a long time since I've been really passionate and into a product and been so excited to share it with so many different types of people. So that's what I want to get into in this video, just sharing my honest opinion and kind of showing you the inside as well. So I've got the main ConversioBot platform here. As you can see, this is the main dashboard, and these are all the upsells which I currently don't have, but they are obviously available to purchase. You can find out more details on the sales page, so I will leave a link to that in the description below so you can check that out if you want to find out more. But so this part of the video, we're just going to look inside the back office, the dashboard, and kind of give you a glimpse as to what you actually get if you decide to purchase ConversioBot. And like I said, it's a really awesome tool, and I'm really looking forward to showing you guys what's on the inside. So there's a video that you can watch, and that's just going to give you a overview of the platform. It's going to give you an idea of sort of where things are. And now on the left hand side, you'll find a few different tabs here. So on the My Bots part of the tab, then you're going to find out bots that you've already created. Then you've also got the chatbot templates, which I'm going to go through in a moment. And when you watch this video here, it will direct you to the chatbot training. And obviously that's the part that I would encourage you to go to first, so that you can get a full in-depth guide on how to actually create the chatbots and, you know, how to kind of make the most out of them basically. So I'm just going to open up the chatbot training here. So there's a few different categories, and so if we just take a look at all the categories, you can see there's so many different videos available, and there's so much to learn from this. So there's so many different aspects to the training here, and what's really great is that they're in bite-sized kind of snippets, so you don't have to deal with a lot all at once. So you can take your time, maybe you watch a few videos a day and kind of just set yourself up at a pace that's suitable for you. So you get all this training included in the main product. You don't have to purchase any upsells to get this training. This is all included in the main product, which is really great. Now, if we have a look at some of the templates, now this is the part that, you know, I think is one of the best parts of this platform, that they give you templates for so many different types of website owners. So it's almost as if it doesn't matter what website you have, there is a template out there for you. So if we just have a look at you can see kind of a glimpse of what's available. Now, for example, this one would be suitable if you've got an online store, an e-commerce store. That one can really do well for you there. If you've got a service-based business, then you can provide a customer service option as well. You can build your list and promote your affiliate offer. So here where it says get subscribers, you've got like 4 different templates for that, and they've got all these different options. You can offer them a free gift and encourage them to share your content. Like if you create online content like as a blogger or affiliate marketer, you can also get them to get the free gift but without the social sharing. Or maybe you don't want them to have a free gift, but you want them to share your content, or none of these options. But it's a good way to get subscribers to your blog, for example, or to your affiliate site. Not just that, but you can also encourage people if you want to promote your affiliate offers. So if you're in the make money online niche, which I imagine many people watching this video might be, or it doesn't matter which niche you're in. So if you're in the motivational space, or you're in the self-help, you know, even relationship, if you've got a weight loss blog, and you can promote affiliate products in the weight loss niche. And there was another one that I found quite interesting. So in the cooking, here, cooking and food niche. So there's a lot of bloggers out there that have food blogs, and they would really obviously benefit from something like this. They can promote their affiliate offers, and it gives you opportunity to multiple offers. So I'm going to kind of give you an example. Like, we'll use the example of the social share. So if we kind of just give a preview here, you can kind of see what the bot looks like in action. So this would be you in your website. So you'd ask your visitor, do you have a few minutes for a chat? Say they click yes. Then you can respond. And, you know, someone who's watching this would think, you know, that this person is responding in real time, which is really cool. Obviously, you can edit the name here. And so if I want to put my name, I could do that as the customer/visitor in the introductions. So are you finding the content on this page helpful? So if you're a blogger, for example, then the user can say, yes, I found the content helpful. And then they've suggested that perhaps your friends would like to know more about this, and they're offering a free gift for those who share the page. So say, for example, I just decide, okay, I'm going to share it on Twitter. Then I'm not going to share it, but I can share it, and then please could I take your email to send the free gift to? So the person would just enter in their email, and it's also got the GDPR compliance. So chances are you've probably heard a lot about GDPR, and obviously it's a really important feature. So the fact that they've got this, you know, it shows that they've taken a lot into consideration, which is really good. So that's kind of an example of, you know, how you can use this to kind of either build your list or to promote discount offers, or just to kind of get your content shared if you want it to go a bit more viral. There's just so many different option templates available, which is, it's really cool. And like I said, this is in the main product, so you haven't even purchased any of the upsells, and you get access to all these different templates, which is really, really cool. Here we've got the VIP training, and that's one of the upsells. So as I haven't got this upsell, I'm not able to access that, but it's just kind of additional training. I think one of the upsells has training on how to make money selling these bots. So there are a lot of people that will pay to have chatbots created for them, and you can use this product to create chatbots for other people and get paid that way. So, you know, there's different options available. So obviously if you decide to get that upgrade, then that's there for you to purchase. But like I said, you can find more information about that on the sales page. This kind of is just to give you a look on the inside. General settings. So at the moment it integrates with Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp and SendLane. Now if you have any of these, obviously then you'll be able to integrate those. If you don't, then it's obviously going to be a bit of an issue. Like me, currently I'm on ConvertKit, so I wouldn't be able to integrate ConvertKit with. So I don't know if maybe in the future that they might be able to integrate other email softwares. Like, I'm not too sure at the moment. Otherwise, you can go ahead and try out any one of these. I mean, they do offer free trials, Aweber and GetResponse. MailChimp is free, so they have a free plan, but obviously up until a certain number of subscribers. So if you wanted to really be part of ConversioBot, but your current email provider doesn't do that, then you can sign up with MailChimp, and it's completely free up until a certain number of subscribers. So this could be a good way to get started. Or you can try out SendLane. There's also another feature which is bot branding. So this is something in the upsells. They remove the ConversioBot branding. So as it stands, I will be having the ConversioBot branding on my chatbots. So if you don't want to have that, then that's one of the upsells. You'll find access to the different upsells again. So if you have these softwares, then you'll be able to just click on them and it'll take you to that. Whereas for me, here you'll see it'll just take me to a sales page. So it's going to take me to the upsells page. So obviously depending on which upsells you have slightly different features. You'll have, you know, additional features to what I've shown you in the dashboard. So yeah, so I hope, you know, you found this video quite helpful. I hope it's been helpful to see inside the actual platform and really get an idea of whether or not you feel you can benefit from something like this. I personally would like to incorporate this into my online business. Who knows, you might be seeing some videos in the future about my progress with it. If you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you do have any questions, then you can leave them in the comment section below, or you can probably just click the link in the description to the sales page and you might be able to get some further information about the product that way. I really hope you found this helpful. Oh, that's it. If you're interested in the price, I'll just head over to my review. I have put the price here. So the price of the main product is $37 to $47. So I think there are two different types of memberships available. So depending on which one you purchase, it's going to cost you either $37 or $47. Then you've got the upsells. So the first upsell is $97, the second upsell is $47, the third one's $67, and the fifth one is $87. So if you were to purchase all the products, you'd probably be spending about $300, I'd say about $300 something. So that's just something you might be interested in. So thanks again for checking out this video. I am really glad that I was kind of able to kind of get this product and show you what's on the inside, and I really hope you found it helpful. And let me know your thoughts on ConversioBot. Have you purchased the product? Will you be purchasing the product? If you have purchased it, what have your results been? Be sure to leave some comments in the section below. If you want more content just like this, then do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.